Hello, my name is Hannah and I'm here to tell you how I made $30,000 as a full-time uni student. I'm going to run you through 5 different ways on how to make this happen for you. So the first way is income, most obvious. So it's really important that you have multiple streams of income, not just relying on one stream. And just a quick side note, I was studying full-time. I wasn't doing part-time, full-time, 4 papers a semester, sometimes 5, and summer school. I did, however, transition to online learning, so it's a little bit different to actually going into set classes. It meant that I could basically work uni around whatever I was doing that week. But let's get started. I'll run you through 7 different ways that I actually use myself to earn this money. Number 1, and the most obvious, is a part-time job. So I always had a part-time job throughout school and uni just to generate that stable income. Number 2 is babysitting. So because I was a previous nanny, I love children. It was really easy for me to get some babysitting jobs. There's amazing agencies. You don't need too much experience. You just have to love kids and have a clean police check. Number 3, and my absolute favorite, is extras work. So you literally are an extra on a movie. So if you live in any major city, whether it be in New Zealand, it has to be Wellington or Auckland. I'm in Auckland, and there's amazing agencies that you can sign up to and literally become an extra, a background person walking behind the scenes of any movie. I've done Shortland Street, I've done a lot of Netflix shows. I did One of Us is Lying, which is the new Netflix show. I did Amazon shows, I've done Hallmark shows, I've done a lot of ads. So with movies in New Zealand, you get paid $200 to $250 per day to be on set. There is an agency fee that you have to pay. Now, ads are where you really get paid a lot of money. You get paid up to $10,000 for an ad. I was on a Samsung ad, wasn't paid that much money, but still was a few $1,000s. I done a Taco Bell ad, which was aired in America, and once they re-air it, they repay you again. So you don't actually have to go in and reshoot. Number 4 is pet sitting. So if you're in New Zealand, Porshake is the most amazing agency. You create a profile, and then the pet owners will come and look at your profile, message you, and then you'll organise a pet sitting day or dog walking, pet feeding. So right now I'm actually at someone's house looking after their beautiful dog and getting paid to basically sleep. Number 5 is Instagram business. So if you've got a hobby, just turn it into an Instagram business. If you love to sew, to knit, to do macrame, I don't know, something, and just turn it into an Instagram business. For me, I actually own a secondhand vintage Instagram business called Everything Vintage. I buy and sell vintage clothes. I go out and curate clothes for my customers, and I also sew a lot of clothes as well. Number 6 is supermarket sampling. So I was that person that you go into the supermarket and I was giving out, free food. Kind of embarrassing, but really fun. Great for uni students as the schedule is super flexible. You'd only work 2 to 3 hour shifts, and it's good money as well. Number 7, and my ultimate favourite, is Sidekicker. If you're in New Zealand, join up to Sidekicker. You get to work on festivals. I did One Love Festival, Elton John Festival, and you get paid a lot of money. Follow for part 2. Yay!